Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Lisa. This is Creativity and Inspiration. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are so happy you found us. And if you've come back again, thank you. You are so important to us. Today, I'm going to share a secret with you. But before I do, you might have noticed behind me it looks a little different. Well, I'm moving. I have talked about this before, and we are like in the process, like packers tomorrow, movers. But by the time you see this, I will be already moved. I am pre-filming a bunch of videos for you guys, and I just hope you like them. There will be an empty old house and empty new house tour in these next few weeks, so be sure and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today's video is a super quick one. I'm sharing one of my top 5 secrets in creating cool stuff. So let's just get into this secret. So I don't like to spend a lot of money on craft supplies if I don't have to. And one of the biggest things is making wax seals for your envelopes. Well, it's expensive. So I have found my own way to do this using rubber stamps I already own. And one of my favorites is to use the alphabet. So I can just put my initials or my last name initial on there. Or, you know, this one's real cute. It says, this one's real cute. And I like to put it on the wax seal. It says the end. So I think they're more personalized. They're stamps I already own. That saves me money. And then the wax, I just use crayons. Because, and this isn't sponsored, you can use any brand, but these are awesome because you can get any color you want. All you do is hold it over, you get your crayon, you peel the paper back. There we go. I have the paper well peeled back from the tip. And all you do is hold, I have a sealed envelope, half an envelope. I'm going to hold my crayon over the envelope. I'm going to start my, I have a long lighter, so hands are totally safe. And I'm just going to heat the crayon and make it just drip down onto the envelope. And I'm going to put as much as I want. You can either have a lot, you can have a little bit. Totally up to you. Okay. And once you do it, and let it sit there a minute because it will continue to drip. And then you just move your crayon out of the way. You get your stamp, and when this gets a little bit dry, what we're going to do is we're going to stamp it. But this has to be a medium. It can't be liquidy and still moving. It needs to be ready to set. And you just tilt it back and forth. And you can see if it's set or not. And this one's still not set, so we'll just give it a minute more. Okay. So it's pretty much quit moving. I'm going to touch it now. Still warm, so I want it to get just a little bit harder. Now, all you're going to do is you take your stamp, and again, this is a raised rubber stamp. You fit it over your crayon you just melted. You push straight down, and then pull straight up. And I have the little butt tail of the bunny right there. How cute is that? Now let me show you with a different color, because that's one thing about using crayons, is you can do any color you want. Now I'm going to get green because I think pink and green go well together. And I'm going to peel it back just a little bit. And I'm going to, again, just hold it over the envelope and let it melt. Hold it down so it drips towards the envelope. You can rotate it so it melts evenly. Okay, I'm going to let it finish dripping. You can blow it. Don't use a heat gun on it because 1, that'll keep it melted, and 2, it makes it spray out. Okay, just do the roll test. You know, pick it up. If it's still moving, you don't want to do it yet. Okay, once it gets to this, you just take your letter and you go straight down. And then you come straight up. And there is your S. And there is your S. So a super cool way to do wax seals, and to clean it, all you do is you can, one, either heat it and just wipe it off while it's liquid, or two, you can let it dry and just break it off and then wipe it with a baby wipe or whatever you clean your stamps with. And they come perfectly clean. It's not hard. And like I said, you have a custom wax seal kit all built in, because using the crayons, you have multiple different colors. And like I said, using your stamps, you already have a bunch of different seals at your fingertips. By using the crayons, you have a bunch of different colors at your fingertips. And it only costs you, you know, the price of the crayons, because most of us already have a ton of stamps that we could use for this. There they are. They're very cool. I hope they're coming across on camera as cool as they are in person, because they are very cool. So thanks for being here today, guys. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell, because we have tons of videos coming your way. I will see you after I get moved in my new craft space, which we will probably lay out, decorate together. Bye.